Hey guys, it's Mrs. Ogus. I'm going to show you how to get started when you start typing your final copy of your memoir. So when you're in Google Drive, first of all, there's other ways to get there, but you are just going to open up a Google Doc. So this is where I am. I can go here and say Google Docs, and then I want to open a new blank copy where it's going to say Untitled Document. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to these lines up here, and I'm going to choose the third one from the left. It's going to say Align Right over here. So I'm going to put my first and last name over here on the right. Then I'm going to hit Return or Enter. And I'm going to be able to put my class period, so first period, second period, third period, and then I'm going to put the date on that third line. And so then when I hit return, I want it to go back to align left, or left align rather, and it's back over here to the left. So now I'm ready for my title, so I can choose this one in the middle that says Center Title, and I'm going to call this The Special Dog. And so that can also be the title of my document, The Special Dog. And I might put a dash and call it Memoir. So you can also change the font size. So right now I'm in 11 up here, the font size. I could probably change this to 14. I think that's what it says in my directions. And then I could also change it up here if I don't like Arial. One of my favorites is Playfair Display, so I usually choose that one. You don't want to choose something like Amatic SC, because that puts everything in all capital letters, and so then I can't tell if you're using proper punctuation. And you don't want to choose something that's super tiny, cursive, just hard to read, like the scriptive stuff that's really pretty for invitations for things, but just not for this. So I'm going to go ahead and go back here. See how my cursor is blinking? I'm going to hit return. I'm still in the center, but I want it to align back to the left. And so then I can start my first paragraph by hitting the tab button one time. And then I can say, when I was younger, we had a dog named Jake. He was a special dog to our family. And so this is just an example. I'm going to pretend that I wrote a lot of sentences here. When I hit return, next time I want to start a new paragraph, I'm going to hit tab, and I'm going to start a new paragraph by hitting the tab button. And then not hitting, I guess, tapping. And so then once I am finished with a paragraph, I can finish my sentence wherever that may be. And so if this is the end of my paragraph, I hit return, then I hit tab again, and I can start my new paragraph here. And then I'm going to keep typing and typing and typing until I'm finished with that paragraph. And then I can start a new one by hitting return, and then I hit tab. And so each time you start a new paragraph, it's going to scoot over with just one tap of the tab button. You can also see a good example of this in Schoology, the good student example that I'm showing you. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a nice time typing your final copy.